Hi, Angel! Welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited for today's transformation. Haven't done a look in a minute. I haven't recorded in a minute, so I'm excited to sit down and film this video with you. So I don't want to, once again, bore you. So if you guys want to see how I created this look, then keep on watching and watch me transform into this crazy mad scientist that I'm about to stab you, your mom, and your dad. Alright, girl, I have not sat down in a minute to film a video for YouTube. I've been too busy, making Instagram videos, which I think they're so fun. But I also did miss making YouTube videos and actually talking to you guys. So, let's get into this mug today. First, I'm going to prime off my face with my e.l.f. Control Primus. I'm going to go ahead and spray her nicely and make my skin all nice and wet and moist. And then I'm just going to let this sit in there for 2 minutes and let's just talk. So yeah, it's been a crazy couple of days, but crazy in a good way. I've been being really productive and be doing a lot of things. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna color correct with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Contouring Kit. But yeah, it's been a lot, but a lot in a good way. I've been busy. Actually saw a couple of my friends. I know you're gonna say, bitch, with Corona, you out interacting with people. I know they're safe, and I'm safe. And I do miss my friends. My friends literally my whole life. I hope you all home and staying safe and away from all the virus. Or if you ever seeing anyone like your friends or family, make sure you're safe and they're safe. And make sure that or you don't have corona. And on the other side, yeah, I just cannot wait for the summer. But how have you guys been? I haven't talked to you in a minute. And I feel like it's been a minute. Not really. But it's been a minute since I recorded a video for here. But I've been good. I've been happy actually. I've been doing well with my mental and physical health. You know, sometimes it's life. People don't talk about it, but everyone goes through shit. And that's okay because it's part of life. But, you know, every problem has a solution. It's just sometimes you just have it might take you a day or two to find what your problem is, but you'll find the solution. The solution is always around you. You just have to look closely. And after I'm done color correcting my face, it's time to puff away. I think it's so nice when I see, do you see how the skin turns lighter? I love it. I love this. But I can't wait to be out in the club in booty shorts, to be able to see people, see beautiful faces and new creative people around me. Also, that's a new technique that I figured out. Okay, well, at least for me. Okay, so every time I will blend underneath my eyes, because every time I'll go like this, if I have foundation or anything, it will wrinkle, so it will be bad. So every time I will blend, I will look up, I will put my mirror up, I will make my eye go up. And that's how I blend my under the eye. Because I don't want those forehead wrinkles. Girl, I think we're gonna need Botox soon. Because why not? We have to prevent it. Okay, so now for foundation, I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline Instant Age Rewinder Eraser as foundation. I'm gonna use this in the shade 150 Classic Ivory and in the shade 130 Buff Beige. And I'm just gonna mix this together to just give me those two together give me the perfect foundation color. I really do love this. I'm not gonna lie, I have nothing against it. But what I do not like about this is only one thing. I laugh a lot because I be high and I be stupid and all my friends are funny. I'm funny and funny. So I do laugh a lot. So what I've realized that I get cracks around my right here only. And my Dior doesn't do that. But let's give it another whirl. But I still will use this a lot because I do really love this. And now I'm gonna mix in with my other one. And now once again I'm gonna grab my beauty blender and blend away my problems. I'm gonna try to erase all my issues with people, with nature, with myself, with my penis. Okay, let's not talk about Love Life because Love Life has been drier than the Sahara Desert lately. Okay, now that I blend away and it looks snatched. Look, it looks so nice and airbrushed. Plastic, it's fantastic! Okay. Anyway, so I'm gonna go in now with the same thing, but in shade 120 Creamy Ivory. And what I'm gonna do is, because this is a lighter shade, but not too light, So it's going to blend really nice. I'm just going to go highlight a little bit up here under my eyes just to give it an extra coverage. And just my beard area after. Just create a little chin like this. And now I'm going to blend her in. And I'm about to look like I'm a Barbie girl in a Barbie world. Prostitution is the solution. Oh, this girl once I talked to online, she made a whole Barbie song I never heard before, and I was like, you're an icon for that. Okay, now that we're done with this, it's time to contour and conceal our face. Okay, so today I'm going to contour with my e.l.f. once again. I haven't contoured within a minute, and I just loved the way he made me look. It made me look snooched to Jesus. And even Jesus told me that contour girl, snatched. I was like, thanks. Like, hi. Ugh. Then I'm going to add my forehead. I'm going to take it all the way there. And same here. Right there. And a little bit on my chin, lightly. And now I'm going to go in and add my highlights so I can make my contour pop bigger than the internationally. My fattest was sitting on it. So now I'm just going to go ahead and add the highlights over the nose. Oh my god, girl, let me tell you. So I was on my phone yesterday, like at night. I was just like really smacked. And I was sitting in my bed and I was like going through my old pictures. Like the looks were iconic. But them eyebrows? I still can talk. Like, it wasn't the shape. It was just like, they were so thick. Thicker than a bottle of oatmeal. Because, girl, them eyebrows talked a lot of shit. But, you know, once again, all you need is the attitude and you can sell everything. Because even with them eyebrows, I walked down the street and everyone was like, stunning, gorgeous. I was like, duh, it's me. But no. Girl. Oh my god. Thumbs up if you guys want to see a video of me recreating my old looks. Like, or like reacting. No, actually recreating. Or maybe like a half face. How like I do my makeup now and like how I used to. That would be kind of iconic. Wouldn't it? Iconic. Now that I added my highlight, I'm going to go and blend this off camera so we can save a little bit more time on everyone. And I'll be right back. Okay, honey, she is back and she is contoured to life. So now after I contour, I'm going to go ahead and set my face with my favorite translucent powder, Earthspun. And if you remember, I set my face with 2 different beauty blenders. So I used this little egg looking like thingy to set underneath my eyes and my nose. And my nose, the way I do is I'm going to take the tip and just going to come and highlight the middle as well. Just to give it a brightening effect. You know, brighter than your ex's future. Because once he's your ex, he has no future. Because guess what? You're no longer in his life, queen. Also, now that I said queen, it's so funny. Because, like, if I meet, like, a little person. I mean, when I mean little person, I mean, like a little girl or boy younger than me. Or, like, in their teenage years. The first thing, if they see me in a look, is, are you a drag queen? And I just want to say to that, I am not a drag queen, but I am a look queen. I'm a big music fan. I love music. Like, even though I work in life, like, I work in life as well, so I'm surrounded by music, but that's my favorite part of going to a club. A club with great music? Oh, great. Because let me tell you, One Oak in the City, okay, I love house music, but sometimes the One Oak beats suck big. That was a lot. But it's true. They do suck. That's why Mia battle him on the dance floor in Boo Boo the Clown. Look. But not now because Corona is here. Okay, and after I'm set my face, you already know my tea by now. I never do brows on camera, so I'm going to go off camera and put some girlfriends on and I'll be right back to come and kiki. Now, before you go ahead and judge my eyebrows and say they look like a freaking eagle or wings, it's on purpose. I already have a look planned in my mind, so just stick with me. Okay, now after I do my eyebrows, I'm just going to grab an e.l.f. powder brush and come up and dust all the rest of the excess from my face. Okay, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab my e.l.f. and an e.l.f. complexion brush, and I'm going to come right here and give back my contour life. And yeah, my contour today is going to scream knives. You're going to ask why knives? Because it's going to be ready to cut a bitch. Hello. Now come and snatch my nose up to Yeezy, Yeezy, Yeezy. And just finish my forehead. And that's about it. Look at me twirling. Pussy designer, straight out of Saks Fifth Avenue, bitch. Can you afford that? Don't think so, but if you do, give me a call. And now I'm going to come in with this white and just go and set underneath my eyes a little bit extra. Because, bitch, she's a full coverage girl. And down the bridge of my nose to highlight that contour. Come over here and clean your contour. A little bit in the T-zone, because we love a good T.
Here's the motherfucking T.
Now I'm going to move into a little bronzer, so I'm going to grab the same little thing. I'm just going to go 1, 2. And I'm just going to come and give me like a little bronzy effect. Just to give me the, like, the summery, like, Central Pay look. Like, I was just, like, off the yacht, waiting for my grapes to come. And my husband is out there making more money. Oh my god, look how cute my eyelids look sideways. Like the Corvette symbol. Okay, now it's time for blush. You have no idea because I got a new blush and I'm so excited because I tried it once, but I want to try it again. It's by Clinique and it's called Cheek Pop Blush Pop 10FG Pop. I don't know what that is. I'm just going to get an e.l.f. blush brush and we're just going to dig into her. So today I want to do a little exaggeration on my blush. So I'm really going to go a little ham. As you can see. Yeah, there we go. And I'm gonna like blend it inwards and like bringing it like inwards my nose. Does that make sense? So I'm gonna start on my cheek like right here and drag it backwards, back and forth. And then I'm just gonna bring it a little bit inwards towards my nose. I live. She's a really subtle, natural woman blush. And I'm kind of gagging. And I never gag. Because I'm a top. And now it's time to highlight. So to highlight my face, I'm going to do this kaja little thing. You've seen me use it before so many times. And I'm going to go 1, 2. And girl, look at this. Ready? Ah! Whoa. That was shaky. Yeah, this is like too much a little bit. Oh no, it's fine. Thank God this is blendable because it's literally like glitter but in pigment. And then I'm just going to take the same, whatever is in that hand, down the bridge of my nose. By the way, my nails are so disgusting. Don't even look at them. Like, ew, who am I? Gross. Mom, why did you let me go out like this? Ew. But I'm going to get them done soon. Okay, now that I'm done with highlight, before I move into my eyes, I'm going to get my Benai black, white, and red. And I'm going to go in with the black color. And because I have no black lipstick at the moment, so I'm going to use this to give my lips a black shade. So I'm going to go like this. And I'm going to go, ooh, Betty and O. Yes! All the googs and the gogs, honey. And then just going to take it a little extra. And give me the line. I love having the line like that on my lips. Even on my like glam looks, I do that. It just like gives me that Joker vibes. Now that I am done with my lips, I am really living. I'm going to go and pop in my signature safety pins into my mouth, and I'll be right back to finish this look with you. Now that I got my safety pins in my mouth, as you can see, I'm almost done with the finished look. It is time to pop in some eyes and yeah, and finish this look with y'all. Okay, so for eyes, I'm going to use those two little garnages and I'm going to place them right here. By the way, just a disclaimer, before you all ask me if those real, I don't know how to call you, but they're all through my mouth and cheeks. So, this is a final look for today. Let me go do a quick pussy pop stunning outfit change for y'all and come out and show you the finished creative little weirdo look. And this is the final look. Do you like this like crazy little mad scientist? Hi! Okay, so, oh my god, thank you so much for guys watching this video, and that's if you watched. I love you all. I hope you guys enjoyed this transformation today. It was really fun to doing it. I haven't done a look like this in a minute. If you guys enjoyed this transformation, and make sure to like this video, subscribe, and share if you want to make our family bigger. And I will guys see you in the next one. Bye! Love you all!